In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a Creative Commons image. I'm going to click my plus sign to open up a new tab. And I'm in DuckDuckGo, but DuckDuckGo and Bing both have their license features and as good as Google, so I want to go to Google to do my image search. And once I get to Google, I can put, let's see, repair wall hole. And now I want to click on images. And here I get some shopping type things, and I'm not getting exactly, I have a lot of companies in here. And then these may or may not be Creative Commons and usable pictures. So I go to Tools, I go to Usage Rights, Creative Commons. And now let's look, I want to look at a window. And again, I have my ads up at the top, so I want to come down and let's just make sure that I have the images for the right. See, I have all here instead of just Creative Commons. Okay, now it's chosen. And let's pick a good one. Okay. Here's a nice picture. Click that. Save image as. Make sure you're in the right place. And save that file. And then I can upload it for my answer. Okay.